The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Holmes County in central Mississippi, southeastern Carroll County in north-central Mississippi, northwestern Attala County in central Mississippi, southeastern Montgomery County in north-central Mississippi, until 1:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 12:57 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Lexington, or 10 miles west of Durant, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Bowling Green around 1:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Emory around 1:10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Possaneck around 1:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Vaden around 1:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Poplar Creek around 1:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Kilmickle around 1:40 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include West. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.